Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Welcome back pala to
Yes.
Sistering with Mel and Lynn. So this is a brand new episode this year, 2024. Hi, Lynn.
Hello, Mel. Hello, everyone. We're so glad to be back.
Oo, tama. Sobrang tagal. Like, parang, kailan pa ba
Yeah,
yung
more
last?
than 2 years. We were gone for more than 2 years.
Oh my goodness. Ang gano'n na makatagal yun. Pero,
Yeah. Our
yeah.
our last episode was on February 2 of 2022, I think.
Oh my gosh, ang tagal
Yeah.
na. So, but
Mm-mm.
anyway, we're back. Pero bakit nga ba? I think we have to inform also. We owe it to our listeners to for them to know bakit pa tayo biglang nawala. Pero buhay pa po kami, so we're here,
Yeah.
di ba?
So anyway, ano lang nagkaroon tayo ng technical difficulties while we were recording the next episode. Tapos parang 3 beses na nating na-record. Tapos yung audio niya, sobrang talagang ang gulo. Tapos, basta maraming nawawalang parts. Hindi siya kayang i-edit para maging
Mm-mm.
maayos pa
Correct.
siya. So anyway, ganon. And then, we fell behind in our schedule, in our
Correct.
posting. Kasi nga, wala tayong material na ipopost.
Yes, yes. At saka, if you remember it, like, also yung mga listeners natin, we had uh, that season, meron tayong mga guests. So parang nakakahiya na paulit-ulit nating ipa-record with them. Kasi di ba
Yeah,
parang just the two of us, okay lang naman na mag-ulit tayo na mag-ulit. Pero
yeah.
if you have other people, parang, di ba, nag-suspend din sila ng time with you. So, I think
Mhm.
isa yun sa reason kung ba't parang, ano ba yan? What are we going to post? Kasi naubos na yung, yung mga na previously recorded episodes natin. And nakakahiyang paulit-ulitin just because hindi natin siya ma-edit.
Yeah, yeah. So anyway, we're back. And also kasi, during that time pala, meron din tayong mga personal projects na
Yes.
ginagawa. And
Mm.
so they got prioritized over this podcast. So, we just want to share with our audience kung ano ba yung mga projects na yon.
Yes, yes.
So, do you wanna go first? Ay, ako muna, sige.
Sige, ikaw muna. Go ahead.
So ako, the project is a book. I wrote a book. So this is my lifelong dream na makasulat ako. So finally, ayan, nakasulat ako and I was able to publish this in November of 2022. So yeah, ito yung sa akin. It's just a small book and it's very purple. Ewan ko, medyo ano yung color
Wow.
ko eh. But yeah, it's very purple. So yan, the title is Becoming a Passionista, Living a Life of Passion and Purpose. So it's about, finding your passion and purpose kasi marami nga nagtatanong, ano ba yung purpose ko sa buhay? Parang, 'di ba? Parang ito na ba 'yon? Ganyan. So yeah, I decided to write a book about it. So yeah, this
And
is
it was
my
not an
project.
easy project, no? So, major project yan. Major project ng buhay mo yan. Ako
Yeah,
din.
medyo matagal ko rin siyang sinulat.
Correct, correct. Kaya na-set aside din talaga. Tapos ako din, I was able to launch my chocolate brand, no? Cacao
Yeah.
Mystery dito. Ready talaga yung sachet ko. Yan. So, bukod sa gumanda na yung packaging niya, there are so many things that happened
Mm-mm.
after we launched it October of 2022 rin. So, I went through a lot of workshops and all together with DTI. Sobrang dami talaga ng mga interventions ng mga pinagdaanan ng product na to. Tapos, syempre, ano din, like, after that, yung mga selling and marketing
Yeah.
efforts, and then putting them into the market, iba talaga. Parang, ang hirap din, mahirap din. But yeah, nakakonsume talaga ng oras. But it's worth it. worth it naman yung yung time and effort na ginugol namin doon. So,
Yeah, kasi
yan.
like
So,
right now, it's available in in many establishments. I'm so
yeah.
excited for you kasi it's available na in Kultura. Is that right?
Yes, yes.
Yay!
And also the marketplace. Yeah. Some branches of
Ng
marketplace.
Rustans?
Yes, yes. So
Oh,
yun yung latest. At saka, I have also collection that is available in Sheraton Manila Hotel. Meron sila dong Pinas muna na store. So, ito, Cacao Mystery yung chocolate drink na available doon. So, it's a special collection for them. So, may mga ganon. So, it's not easy also. Kaya, medyo na set aside. Pero, happy naman. I'm happy that we're back.
yeah. Yeah, me too. And also pala, we had a collab. Di ba nag-collab
Yeah,
tayo?
oo, tama,
Um,
tama.
this is my book. And then, ito yung collab natin. Cacao Mystery.
Yan.
Instant cacao mix. Tapos yung variety, yung flavor is cinnamon. It's a rich variety. Tapos katerno ng book ko yung
Yeah.
diba?
Yes.
Yung sticker.
Yeah,
It's so cute.
I made it like to your to your liking. Like
Yeah, kasi favorite
how would
ko
you like your chocolate to be?
yeah, favorite ko yung cinnamon and favorite ko talaga pag sa chocolate drink yung very rich. I like it thick and
True.
very flavorful. So, that is exactly what I got from you, yung flavor profile. So,
Yeah.
yun. Yeah.
So yeah,
So,
so behind the sistering with Mel and Lynn na habang wala kaming ginagawa sa podcast, abang wala kaming mga episodes, meron ba kaming mga ginagawa behind it, no, na ano pa rin, together. So, that I think paved the way naman din talaga sa pagbabalik na to. Kasi parang hindi naman talaga natin kinalimutan na totally, di ba, tinry pa rin natin
yeah.
bumalik like several months or last year ba? I think 2023.
Yeah,
We
we
tried,
tried.
no? Oo. Pero syempre, hindi ganun kadali ang pag-adapt sa technology, I guess.
Yeah, technical
That's one thing.
difficulties
Oo.
na naman yung reason
Again,
natin. Kasi inisip nating magkaroon na ng ganito, ng video, tapos
correct.
nahirapan tayo. 'Di ba? So,
Oo, correct, correct. Kasi we were trying to like parang totoo naman. Well, siguro yung mga nakikinig din sa mga ano natin, sa mga past episodes natin. Mostly, 'di ba, we are discussing about purpose, about how do you improve your life, ganyan, for women and for everyone in general. So, we also want to improve yung pagbabalik natin. Di ba, we're trying to have like a video na instead of audio lang, ganyan. So,
yeah,
pero I
even
think
if,
that,
hindi perfect yung lighting and
yes. So, ang daming before, parang ang daming mga bagay na kino-consider natin. And we're really like trying to make the podcast look better or, di ba, more impressive. But
yeah.
then, ngayon, later on, we realize na we just want to be present for one
Yeah,
another. 'Di ba? For one another and for our listeners at sana sa mga future listeners pa natin na makikinig talaga sa atin, no? Which is parang this is what this is all about. What sistering is all about. You have to be just present. You don't have to impress anyone here. So
yeah,
we decided na, sige, go na tayo. So, ito na yun. Ito na ang ating
yeah.
pagbabalik.
Actually, yung reason talaga ng pagbabalik natin, for me, ako parang for two reasons. One is a selfish reason. Tapos yung isa, actually both naman sila, parang these are two of the most important lessons that I've learned while I was doing my book. Yung una, yung selfish reason is para na-realize ko na we really need to be doing something for parang a creative project or something lang for ourselves para naman we won't feel na life is all about the daily grind na parang
Sure.
'di ba kung it's not all about taking care of the family or kung may work ka it's not just about your work
In,
or your business yung gano'n, na-realize ko na you have to engage in, in a creative project or endeavor. Important yun. It's really essential. And I hope mas mapag-usapan natin
Yeah. In the
in,
next episodes.
yeah, in the next episode. That's the plan, di ba? Na yun yung pag-usapan natin. And then my other reason, that's why gusto ko rin na makabalik tayo, is I realize na if you want or if you have a dream or a project that you want to bring to life, I realize that you need people to rally behind you. Parang it's so difficult to do something or to achieve something all on your own.
True.
Kaya mo. Yes, it's really possible and kaya mo, pero it's so much better and easier and quicker kapag you have a community na who will rally behind you, who will cheer you on, yung
Yes.
matutulungan ka, parang may accountability and also may support. So, dito sa podcast natin, parang we also aim to provide that kind of community sa mga listeners or sa audience natin.
Yeah,
So, yun,
correct.
yun yung dalawang reasons ko why I wanted to come back. How about you?
Ako naman, I learned this like I had a business trip, 'di ba, sa Thailand last
Yeah,
month.
last month.
So, last month. So, dati talagang gusto naman natin, like, for one another, 'di ba? Na parang gusto lang, hindi naman talaga to totally na set aside. Like, hindi na lang talaga kinaya because we said yes to other things, to bigger things.
Yeah.
So, equally important din. Tapos, in effect, we have to say not yet to other things. I think yun yung best description of bakit na set aside. But still, lagi siyang nandun. Laging nandun na we will continue or we will come back or we will do it again later on. So, ang nag-push sa akin talaga na, ngayon na yan. Kasi, yung isang kasama ko, syempre hindi natin papangalanan. I think this is something that you will hear more sa mga susunod na episodes. May mga konti on chismis.
Okay.
Hindi ko papangalanan. Yes, yung chismis siya. Pero, the purpose of sharing is to extract the lesson. The lesson behind the chismis, no? So, mas masaya lang naman talaga pag minsan may mga ganong klase usapan. So anyway, may kinukwento niya. Syempre, we were there for like a couple of days, five days, ganyan. So after all the show, the trade show, we were there for a trade show. So after the trade show and all the seminar, so syempre may mga personal kwentuhan, ganyan. So she shared her story. So she was an OFW. Tapos nung umuwi siya, maaga siyang trabaho. So, nung umuwi siya, nagkaroon siya ng serious relationship doon. Kaya lang, to foreigner, hindi non-Filipino. Pero,
Love life pa, no?
Yeah, nagka-love life siya. Talagang doon na niya na-spend yung buhay niya, like, bata hanggang sa nag-mature na siya. So, ready na siya for a serious relationship. But, the family, since medyo choosy yung family, I think, okay, for the lack of better term, racist. Ganyan. Dahil, sorry na, baka matitlaw na ganito. First episode ko lang natin. Pero, wala akong ibang maisip eh. That's the only thing. Kasi, just because she's a Filipina, hindi, the parents did not approve. So, yun na rin yung naging cue niya na hindi na siya babalik. Parang, balik na siya dito sa Philippines. Pero syempre, pag bumalik ka, na hindi ka naman dito nakapag-establish ng career, it's so hard.
Mhm.
Pero, God is so good. Nagkita ulit sila nung nung parang kababata, like a childhood friend, ganyan.
Mhm.
Tapos, na OFW din. So, to cut the story short, naging mag-asawa sila. So, okay na, okay yung love life niya. Yeah, okay yung love life niya. So, pero, yung sinabi niya na, I don't want naman na sabihin ng mga tao. Syempre, they grew up together in that same community. So, magkakakilala sila. Na parang, kaya ko lang siya pinakasalan because para maging donya-donya na ako dito sa bahay or wala na akong gagawin. So she thought of a way to earn while inside the house or while taking care of the kids. At the same time, ngayon, kasama ko na siya. She showcased the product dun sa so naging successful siya. Pero yun yung naisip ko na we really have to find something to do na whether kahit na sabihin natin na 2024 na, we don't care about what people will say. No, you
Mm,
care. You care. We all care. Because
yeah.
those somebody can be your child, can be your daughter, can be your niece, can be someone looking up to you na bakit hindi ka nag-work? Or bakit wala kang ginagawa? 'Di ba? Like, kahit may ginagawa ka na hindi nila nakikita, somehow,
Yeah.
kailangan maipakita mo sa kanila because um, sayang yung pwede mo pala silang ma-inspire. Di ba?
Yeah.
Hindi mo alam, tumitingin pala sila sa'yo because model ka nila, like they're looking up to you. So, in that
Most
way, you're
especially the
failing them.
kids. Yeah, they're all
Yeah,
watching you.
yeah. So parang gano'n. So naisip ko, this is a way for us to reach out to other women, yung mga sisters natin dyan. Na, di ba, na sometimes ninineglect natin yan eh. Nanineglect natin na parang, basta ako alam ko sa sarili ko, okay ako, ganyan. Pero, kagaya din ng sinabi ba, there should be a community, within your community, mapapakita mo, you can show, or you can give a value.
Yeah.
And yun yung, and other people will say na, oh, she's like this, she's doing this, and then we will be here to like uplift that, diba? Cheer, diba? And
Mm-mm.
make you feel that yes, you're doing something good, or you can improve pa, diba? Yung mga ganong bagay. So yun.
Also
And
synergistic yun eh, para may nakukuha kang
correct,
support and nai-inspire ka nila, na-inspire mo rin sila at the same time.
Mm-mm. So parang kung isipin nyo, bakit naman kailangan, bakit parang walang connect? Ba't ko pa naisip yun? I have a brand na, diba? Parang okay na dapat ako doon. Well, then again, I read something na about retiring. So we should not retire now. Like, we can retire from work, but we shouldn't be retiring, like, not doing anything. Again, related na naman dun sa, di ba? Because it has a detrimental effect on our cognitive development.
Yeah.
So, di ba? So,
And also on our health.
yes, physical health also. Pero pinakauna, yung cognitive development or cognitive health, no? Kasi, so naisip ko, building a business is really hard, but then dadating ka talaga sa point na hindi na prime. Diba? Hindi na prime at meron na dapat may successions pagdating sa business. Pero also, ano na gagawin ko? So parang gano'n, ano nang gagawin ko? Dun sa nabasa kong article, kahit ano daw, parang if you want to retire from work, okay lang, but you have to be engaged into something new, or at least keep on learning, whether it's golf, it's chess, it's crochet, whatever. So naisip ko, this is the best way kasi this is something that I cannot parang think of retiring while doing this. Na parang nag-iisip pa rin, nakikipagkwentuhan lang, diba? So, this is something na we can grow old doing. Siguro, diba? Parang hanggat may nakikinig sa atin, pwede natin siyang gawin. And we will not feel like we need to retire from this. So, as long as there's someone na we can be present to. Or at least we have one another na, di ba, makikinig sa kwentuhan natin isa't isa. So, yun. So, naisip ko, let's give it a go. Go na talaga. Bigyan natin ng time.
And also just the fact na, we're showing up for the podcast and for each other. And also yung figuring out the technology. Di ba? Yun, nakakatulong rin sa atin yun.
True.
Hindi tayo maging idle.
Yes,
kasi,
correct.
if you really become idle, root cause siya ng maraming bagay na hindi
so many things. Yeah. Whatever you don't use, you lose. Yun lang. That's it. Lagi nyo lang tandaan. Kung ano what you don't use, you lose. So, you have to use your brains, guys. Parang di natin diba?
Yes. Totoo yun. Totoo.
One way or another. parang hindi pwede yung ganito na ako ito na okay na ako dito. Hindi gano'n. Like, 'di ba?
Yeah,
There's
actually, let's continue this conversation dun sa next episode. Parang let's expound on that topic na sinabi mo na,
tama,
kasi
tama.
ganito lang ako, yung ganon, di ba? Parang,
Oo.
sa akin, expound natin kasi magandang pag-usapan yon. Lalo
Oo,
na, for
oo.
example, ako, I can relate very much kasi I'm a housewife, first and foremost. Parang, before I am a writer or an author, I am a housewife. So, parang it takes humility na sabihin na, yung
True,
ito
true.
lang ako, yung gano'n, yung sabihin na ito lang ako, may value in that, but at the same time, um, hindi pwedeng gano'n na lang. Parang
Yes.
there's also value in accepting that role, pero meron din siyang, may maganda akong kwento about that, but I think it's
Yeah,
a topic
yeah, yeah.
for
Sa
next
susunod na
episode.
yan. Sa susunod. So yun, mas, I think it will be more in-depth discussion. If I may also evaluate yung mga una nating episodes, it's more of masyadong orchestrated yung, di ba, masyado siyang like nagre-research talaga tayo.
Yeah.
Aminin na natin.
Yeah.
Kwento na natin sa kanila. Talagang naggagawa pa
Oo.
kami ng assignment namin. Like, nagsiscript kami, ganyan.
Script
And
kami.
then,
If you listen to our previous episodes, talagang you will hear na parang they're reading something kasi we're really
yes,
reading a
nagbabasa
script.
talaga kami. Kasi wala
Yeah.
tayong video noon. Wala tayong video noon. So,
Yeah.
talagang, di ba, parang practice na practice tayo, ganyan, ganyan. Ngayon, more spontaneous, more relatable topics, I guess.
We'll try.
Tapos, siguro lang yan, mas natural na kwentuhan. Kung pwede nga, then later on, sana yung mga listeners natin can mas, ma-invite natin sila to, di ba, hop in and join us in the studio. Kasi, mas,
Excuse me.
mas,
I'm having a rhinitis attack. So, yeah. Excuse me.
yeah, that's
Anyway.
okay. That's fine. Oo. So, yun. Tapos, siguro, yeah, ang talagang, for me, the biggest challenge that I am ready to accept right now sa ating pagbabalik ng podcast na to is to be consistent in posting and yung mga episodes siguro hindi agad ganun kadalas. Like last time we were doing it weekly. I
Yeah.
think weekly is fine.
Once a week.
Binawi. Sorry na. Hindi kasi akala ko twice a week. We were recording twice a week pala last time. Di ba?
Yeah.
We were doing it twice a week. Kasi nga po, mag-script write muna kami, ganyan. So parang, sobrang tedious before. Ngayon siguro,
Yeah,
I think,
so scripted, di ba parang, itong sasabihin ko, tapos ano isasagot
comment mo. Yeah.
Okay, ito naman sasabihin ko.
Yeah. Tama. So ngayon, we just want to show up every as scheduled, I guess. Siguro, once a week, yeah.
Yeah.
To have something to share and to hopefully give value to all our listeners.
Yeah. Okay. So
I think that's it for the welcome back episode.
Yeah. I hope may nakamiss sa atin.
Well, we miss each other. Like, I miss this thing.
Yeah.
So,
regardless. Doing this.
Kasi that's also one thing. I just have to say that. It's not that we don't appreciate those who listen. Kaya lang hindi namin kayo nakita, hindi namin kayo nakilala masyado.
Yeah.
Diba? Yun. I think ito dapat yung mas i-improve natin this time around. We try to be more connected to the people listening, diba? To our audience. So siguro we would like to invite you also to like and follow our Instagram page.
Mm-hmm.
So doon tayo we can like always So you can send us DMs and, 'di ba, yung mga ganyan after
Sometimes may mga
episode.
nagsisend sa atin ng ano, 'di ba, mga personal
Yes.
messages or yun nga mga DMs. So maybe they can comment instead dun sa ano para
Yes.
mas makita
Makita.
mas
Mas
may
makita ng iba. And mas mag-engage yung, mas, 'di ba, mas parang, oh, pwede pala magtanong dito. So pwede tayong doon
na
magchikahan. Oh,
because our aim really is to build a community, 'di ba?
yes.
Parang one of our goals really is to build a community.
Yan. Sige, so I guess bye for now and till
Yeah.
our next episode.
Yeah, and thank you so much for listening again to us and for missing us maybe.
Yeah. And
Well,
I hope natuwa naman kayo seeing and hearing us right now.
yeah. Okay, so
Okay.
we hope we'll see you again in our next episode. That will be next week. So,
Okay.
thank
Bye.
you so much. See you again. Bye.
Yeah.